Oh my god. We hate the harmony of the seas cruise ship. We wish I will never existed. That's it. We are destroying a cruise ship with our atomic bomb.
The bomb will explode in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Finally. We made it back to Manhattan. Now we are going to work. Evil Z. Evil Mara. Evil Cookie Monster. Evil Ernie. Evil Bird. Evil Big Bird. Evil Zoe. Evil Elm. Evil Daisy Butt. Evil Donald Duck. Evil Goofy. Evil Minnie Mouse. Evil Mickey Mouse. Evil Barack Obama. Evil George W. Bush. Evil Donald Trump. Evil Patrick. Evil SpongeBob. Evil Bob the Builder. Evil Doris. Evil Joe. Evil Steve. Evil Murray. Evil Greg. Evil Jeff. Evil Anthony. Evil Diesel 10. Evil Devious Diesel. Evil Sir Topham Hatt. Evil Thomas the Tank Engine. Evil Luigi. Evil DJ Lance. Evil David. Evil Shen. Evil Handy Manny. Evil Lenny Gearson. Evil Chip Hicks. Evil Lightning Queen. Evil Sweet Johnson. Evil Ryder. Evil Big Smoke. Evil Carl Johnson. Evil Oswald. Evil Swiper. Evil Bill Cosby. Evil Squidward. Evil Trevor. Evil Brian Robinson. Evil Rihan Robinson. Evil Twist. Evil Marina. Evil Shout. Evil Kike. Evil Blues. Evil LO. Evil FRRED. Evil Toad. Evil Bread. Evil Plex. Evil FIFA. Evil Muyo. Evil Rainbow Tail 518. Evil NRFANTA in IC 2003. Evil Vince Sesame Street Fan Estate 2000. Evil Draco the Capricorn User 2005 Animations. Evil Diamond Quartz. Evil Classic Emmanuel Thomas. Evil Emmanuel Thomas. Evil Robotron. Evil Nick Network. Evil New Fire Buffer 775. Evil Wayne Cramp. Evil Lennox Cable. Evil Brandon. Evil Zachary. Evil 10. Evil Katie. Evil Matt. Evil Jack. Evil Business Friendly Guy. Evil Blue Rabbit. Evil Black Bear. Evil Yellow Horse. Evil Boris. Evil Dundersis. Evil Junk Henry Powder Recto Guy 2003. Evil Daisy. Evil Rosie. Evil Austin. Evil Tasha. Evil Uniqua. Evil Tyrone. Evil Pablo. Evil Loose. Evil Boots. Evil Dora. Evil Little Bill. Evil Classic Kalu. Evil Curlew. And Evil Blue. Your 100 are under arrest for big time for destroying the harmony of the seas cruise ship. Your 100 are in super deep trouble. Now come with me to the police car right now. Your 100 are going back to prison until 3031.
We cat do out in quel donet until we all get out of prison until 3003 decunu. To be continue don